Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door handle in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door handle. The door handle provides a smooth surface for you to grab on when the door is open. It also looks great. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it's broken and no longer stays in place. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws on the sides that hold the outer door. Close the door and pull the outer panel down and out to remove it. In case one of the spacers will come off, just put it on. Open the door again and using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 4 screws at the top and the 2 screws on the sides of the door. Now we can remove the control panel. Pull it out. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 2 screws under the control panel. Press out the side locking tabs and separate the control panel from the mounting bracket. Next, we need to remove the old door handle. Place the control panel on a workable surface and using 2 thumbs, lift both steps and push the handle out. This is the old door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new handle into the central opening in the control panel. Match the tabs and the cutouts and press the handle in, allowing the tabs to lock. Install the control panel onto the mounting bracket. Place the small tabs into the cutouts in the bracket and push in the control panel to lock the 2 side tabs. Secure the panel to the bracket with the 2 Torx 20 screws. Install the control panel on. And secure the panel with the 4 Torx 20 screws on the top and 2 on the sides. Install the door panel. Secured with the 6 Torx 20 screws on the sides. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.